Hey everyone, welcome to our video, where we provide expert advice and practical solutions for your everyday household challenges. In today's video, we will tackle a common issue faced by many homeowners: a faulty vacuum cleaner belt. Whether your vacuum cleaner is struggling to pick up dirt or making strange noises, a broken belt is often the culprit. But fear not. We're here to guide you through the process of fixing your vacuum cleaner belt, so you can get back to keeping your home clean and fresh. Let's dive in. Please check the description link. I will provide detailed information. Introduction to vacuum cleaner belt. Before we begin, let's take a closer look at the vacuum cleaner belt. The belt plays a crucial role in the operation of your vacuum cleaner, as it connects the motor to the brush roller. This connection enables the brush roller to spin and effectively pick up dirt from your floors. However, over time, the belt can wear out, stretch, or even break, leading to a loss of suction and cleaning performance. The good news is that fixing or replacing the belt is a relatively simple task that you can do yourself with a few basic tools. Tools and preparation. To get started, gather the necessary tools. You'll typically need a screwdriver, pliers, and of course, a replacement belt that matches the specifications of your vacuum cleaner model. It's essential to consult your vacuum cleaner's manual or check online for the correct belt size and type. Once you have everything ready, unplug the vacuum cleaner and find a clean, well-lit workspace to begin the repair process. Accessing the belt. Next, we need to access the belt. This usually involves removing the brush roller cover or base plate, depending on your vacuum cleaner's design. Carefully follow the instructions in your vacuum cleaner's manual to locate the belt area. Once you have accessed the belt, take a moment to inspect it for any signs of damage, such as fraying or stretching. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.